My name is Mathew. I'm a librarian and a part-time farmer. I've been able to purchase the SunCulture products to improve on my farming activities. The farm is managed by my wife, who is here. So far, I'm doing vegetable farming, fodder farming, and I'm also rearing some poultry and keeping some dairy cows through mixed farming. So SunCulture has enabled me and empowered me to have not only one product, but I am having two products from the company that have enabled me draw water from the well and be able to do piping and putting systems in place to enable me practice now the mixed farming that I'm having in the homestead. Through this farming, it has empowered me economically because I'm able to earn some decent income from farming through the supply of fresh milk and also selling vegetables to the nearby market that is a university community, and also supplying water to the nearby residents.
SunCulture, power of the sun.